Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've always wanted to organize your thoughts, keep track of your goals, or simply express your creativity with a digital journal, today's tutorial is just for you. I'm going to show you step by step how to create a beautiful and fully customized digital journal in Canva absolutely free. By the end of this video, you'll have your very own digital journal ready to use, whether you want to keep it on your phone, tablet, or even share it with friends. Alright, let's dive right in. The first thing you're going to do is head over to Canva.com. If you don't already have an account, don't worry. Signing up is completely free and only takes a minute or two. Once you're in, look for the Create a Design button, usually in the top right corner of your dashboard. Give that a click. This is where all your amazing projects start in Canva, like a blank canvas just waiting for your ideas. Next, in the search bar, type the word journal. Canva has a huge selection of templates, so typing journal will instantly pull up dozens, if not hundreds, of pre-made layouts specifically designed for journaling. You'll see options for daily, weekly, and even guided journals. Scroll through these templates and pick one that matches your style and the purpose of your journal. Think of this like picking a notebook off the shelf. Choose one that inspires you and feels like something you'll actually want to open up and use every day. Once you've selected a template, it's time for the fun part, personalizing it. Editing and modifying the details of the template is where your journal really starts to become yours. Don't be afraid to spend some time here. Maybe you want to adjust the layout, swap out some sections, or add inspirational quotes that motivate you each day. Canva is designed to make customization easy, so play around and see what looks best. For those of you feeling overwhelmed with the number of options, don't worry. The key is to start with one or two changes and go from there. Now let's talk about design. This is where your journal comes to life. Changing colors to fit your mood, adding visual effects, or inserting new elements like stickers, shapes, or even your own photos can make your journal feel uniquely yours. For example, maybe you want calming blues and greens for a mindfulness journal or bright and energetic colors for something more upbeat. There's really no right or wrong here, just whatever makes you excited to use your journal each day. Don't forget to add your journal title right at the top or in a special spot that feels prominent. Simply click into the text box and start typing. You can type something classic like My 2024 Journal or go with something more creative. It's all up to you. Experiment with different fonts and text sizes until it looks just right. It's these little touches that make the journal feel personal. Once you're happy with all your changes, take a moment to preview your journal. Maybe flip through the pages and double-check if there's anything you'd like to tweak. When you're ready to save your work, just hit the Share button in the top right corner, then select Download. You can choose the file format you prefer. PDF is usually best for journaling, especially if you want to use it digitally on a tablet or phone, but PNG works if you just want an image version. And that's it. In just a few easy steps, you've created your own digital journal in Canva completely for free, and now you can start building a daily habit that's beautiful and inspiring. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions or need more ideas for journal layouts, drop a comment below. I'd love to help you out. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy, creative tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching and happy journaling.